European laboratory glassware washer. Used for cleaning and drying laboratory glassware. Modular cleaning basket. Spring clip adjustable height. Stainless steel supports can fix containers. Plastic supports can protect the bottle mouth. The plug can protect the interior of the container from scratches. Two milliliters injection vial module. 50 pieces can be placed at a time. After washing, take it off and flip it over. Cleaning with pipette tip facing upwards. After the adjustment clip is moved up, the headspace bottle can be cleaned. And there are also Petri dish baskets, beaker cleaning basket, mixed cleaning basket. Baskets. Upper and lower double spray arms. The heatsink, SD card, and printer interface are located on the back. There is a detachable filter screen at the bottom. Enter fingerprint. Enter management passwords 1 to 6. Can input 12 personnel. For levels of permissions in total. Level 1, Operator. Only use preset programs. Level 2, Debugger. Can change parameters. Level 3, Manager. Can view records and port status. Level 4, Senior Administrator. Can use all functions. Fingerprints can also be deleted. After logging in, you can also set a password. For the next user, log in without a password. Parameter settings. Open a custom parameter. Can add a single step. Or select all steps. Set pump speed and sequence. Water inflow. Time. Temperature. Type of water. Cleaning agent dosage, etc. Save the program after setting it up. Click to start. Timing time is 0. The device is starting to run. Rinse the interior of the vessel with water from the nozzle. Spray arm water to rinse the outside of the vessel. Variable frequency water pump. If you need to make an appointment for cleaning, click Start to set the appointment time. Click Timing. Device begins countdown. Cleaning records can be viewed by date or printed.